Hey everyone, welcome to our Wonder of the Seas Oceanview room tour. We recently sailed on Wonder of the Seas and we were amazed at how modern and spacious this stateroom was. Before we start our tour, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into the video. Hello and welcome to room 3630 on Wonder of the Seas. Come on in, I'll show you around. So we do have an ocean view room. So as you can see behind me, there is a nice window and a very spacious room as well. So as you enter in, on your left hand side here is the washroom. And it also has a very nice spacious layout, a good shower, and there is a hair and body wash, and then some shelving as well, and a very nice mirror to get ready. And then as you exit the washroom, here again on your left is a closet. We have partially unpacked right now, which is why there's already clothes in there, but lots of hangers, some room for shoes at the bottom as well. If you ever do need extra hangers, you can always ask your stateroom attendant and they will bring some over for you. Next to the bed here is a phone that will connect all throughout the ship if you have another stateroom to call, as well as a lamp that has a USB port as well as an American port. There's also a light switch there that will control the lights in the room. Now we have our beds together, so this is actually two twin-size beds that are together right now. If you wanted, you can also ask your stateroom attendant to separate those for you. And there's also a very nice TV here as well. Another large mirror, full-size mirror for if you are getting ready, you can see your outfits. And another closet here as well. This one's a little bit different, no hanging space, but there are shelves there, as well as a safe that you can set your own code. We have a few drawers underneath here as well that we'll pull out for more storage. And again, that same light there for any charging that you need to do. Now here is a very nice couch. This couch actually does pull out, so there's an extra bed there as well. They can take off these cushions, put a mattress on top. So this room technically does sleep 4 people. So one person on top of the couch, one person on the bed, and then 2 on the bed there. So here is the vanity. So there's lots of space here if you wanted to do any work with laptops. Tons of charging ports. So we have the American ports, the USB ports, as well as the European ports. A nice light switch there for the vanity mirror as well. And a good storage here. So lots of drawers here. They also do provide a hair dryer as well, so you don't have to bring your own. And in this big cabinet here is a mini fridge. So if you have any drinks that you're bringing back to the room, any water bottles, you can place them in there. All right, and again, tons of drawers here. So lots and lots of storage. And I know that the view isn't the best right now because we're at port in Port Canaveral, but we cannot wait until we are waking up to an ocean view, or while we're in Mexico and just look out to the ocean and ports. So thank you so much for watching our ocean view room tour on deck number 3. We are so excited to have this room and so excited for the week ahead. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out our vlogs and like and subscribe to our channel for all of the cruise content.